Good afternoon, everyone. I am Vikas Kumar Sahu from Rayagada College, Rayagada, from Odisha. So, when I am got selected in MTTS 2024 program, I already attend a mini MTTS program, so I know where the classes are going on, how the teachers are teachers. There 3-4 professors are in one class. Their teachers of the class is not so easy to attend actually. So when I selected this is a national level camp, so I got scared because I am belonging from a very small college, and I think that there are many junior students are coming from the different corner of the country. So I got scared a little bit. But when I said to our sir that sir, this is a national level camp, there are many more university in our India, and there are many more junior students coming from that. How can I attend this camp? Because if I go to the camp, I am representing my college, my state actually. If I cannot answer any of the question, if I cannot attend the class properly, then it is a same for me and for my state. So I hardly say that I tried my level best to attend the classes, then understand what the sir taught us, and I think I succeeded in this case. When our semester class in our college and this MTTS class is a very huge difference in these two. In our semester class, in our college classes, if you do not understand, no worry, you can sit in the back bench and just sit like this and listen what is going on. But in this MTTS class, you cannot do it. because there are so many mentors, so many professors watching you. So if you don't understand anything, you must have to pay attention. If you have to try your best to understand the topic. So this is a very helpful moment for us to understand any of the topic. If you do not understand anything, the mentors also help and our professors also help. And I am happy because when I am selected to this camp, I was thinking, oh yes, I am completing my final year. So in the MTTS program, the professor is taught of which I have already studied. So what my thinking is totally different. When I am coming and attend 2-3 days, I got clear that they are not taught us what I had already taught. They taught us what I did not think about them. Means like Anand sir start group theory. Then actually I think my group theory is strong. So I think group theory class I don't have to pay much attention. I can answer all the questions. Like I was thinking like this. But when Anand sir asks question, that question I never think about that. So this is a very great experience for me, and the Vikas which is before 25 days and the Vikas which is standing in front of you, I think the level of thinking and way of thinking of mathematics is totally different. So this is a from my side and from all of the students, I would like to thank you all the MTTS coordinators, program professors, presidents, sir. I would like to thank all of you. Thank you. Thank you.